Welcome back, CML family. This is day 2 of my extreme garden reset. I was out for most of my day. I just came back and grabbed my 4 celery stalks that I have been preparing to plant in the 4 containers that I prepared yesterday. So I am going to add them in right now. These are the containers that y'all saw me prepared yesterday, and I'm going to be adding my celery in them. I'm just going to tuck them down in here like this. And what I did, I actually placed 4 other pots in in the sections where I took these containers from, because I did not want the cat to go in there. So now I'm going to be putting them back, because these are going to be used in other places of the garden. So this is the first one. Oops, that was a little tight, y'all. Let's slip it under there, and then let me fix this thing back properly. Y'all hear that thunder rolling? Looks like we are going to get rain too, you know. So I'm not going to be long with you all today. Not going to be long at all. The other celeries that I have grown in the garden, they have not been doing well in the containers where they are. So I have decided to give them individual containers like that. All right, let's get the other 2 in. This is one. Guys, if you're going to be growing celeries from store-bought celery, whenever you plant them, they really do not like to be watered a lot initially. So don't put a lot of water on them, or else they will rot. This is my 4th one. And I'm just gonna have to continue buying celery from the store until my celery seeds germinate and I start growing my own celery. I have been using a lot these last days, and it has been working for me. Okay, so now I have my 4 celeries in place, and right now I am, you know what, I'm going to leave these here. But as for these, they are going to the back of the garden back here. I had them right here. So now yesterday when I was walking through the garden, I have decided to put these white ones right here. I'm just lining them up because I think it would be nice if I have 4 white containers in front of the black baskets right here to plant some more stuff in. So let me grab this one, put it right here, and let's get 2 more from over here. Use this one. So basically what I'm doing, guys, I am doing a continuation from yesterday where I started preparing the containers, and I might have to drill some more holes in the bottom of this one, because I only have holes to the side because I was putting other containers inside of this. But now I'm going to be adding some extra holes in the bottom, so you know, whatever is going to be planted in here, we're not having a waterlog and they will not drown. There is a big old hole in the bottom of this one, so I'm going to use it. I was using this one for one of my my stackable planters, where I put the pole in the bottom of this. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding some sticks and leaves and shrubs, whatever I can find in the bottom of these. No, just that one first, because I think I have to go and get my drill to punch some holes in the bottom of this one. Okay, so right here I was saving up some coconut core and some dead leaves and things from the garden that has already broken down. I'm going to add some in this container right here. Right, guys, so let's get these in here. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Let me show you all something. Look at this. This is actually good soil, you know. I don't think I want to waste this at the bottom of a container. All right, so let me put some of it up here so I can use it in the top of another one of my containers. The wind is blowing so high as if we're going to get some more rain. You know, I want to believe that this is actually some of what I took out of the kiddie pool. You know, I should think so. Don't it look that way, guys? I think so, you know. Yeah, firmly believe so. All right, so this one is okay. I'm going to get the drill now to add some more holes in this. And I think I'm going to be adding some kitchen scraps in them as well before I add the soil that I want to plant, whatever I'm going to plant in these. My peeps, so this is a limb that I have left over from what I was using yesterday. So now I'm going to break off all of these to put in my white bucket, and I've already added some in these ones for yesterday. So this was actually where I left off yesterday. I filled all of these with some leaves and sticks and other stuff. So let's get this into that white bucket up there. So I am done with these buckets, y'all. The next thing I'm gonna do before adding the soil in here is to grab some flowers that I have growing in another section of the garden to transplant, because it is going to rain tonight. All right, so here are the flowers that I'm going to be working with. They're actually some marigolds, but I'm not sure if it is the yellow ones or some mixed color marigolds seeds that I threw in here a very long time ago. Here is the paper, and I believed, I can't even read what is on it, guys. I don't have my glasses on, but I'm gonna be transplanting out some of these. I can see a little pepper coming up right here, and this is some purslane. I'm gonna be taking out the purslane as well. Now these ones right here, I took down an entire plant one day and tossed it in here. It is a coxcomb plant, and look at all the little seedlings that I have to transplant in the garden. And here is some 10 o'clock flowers that I need to plant out as well. And I also have another pepper coming up in here, more purslane. Oh my goodness, I can just imagine what this garden is going to looking like when all of these flowers starts to bloom. So let me get these out right now because I need to toss this. No, maybe I'm gonna be keeping these two. I've already tossed out some of them, so let's get these transplanted right now. So I have 4 of my best marigold flowers so far, guys, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to end today's video here because it's gonna start raining very soon. So I hope that you enjoyed what you have been seeing so far, and I also hope that you will come back tomorrow to see exactly where I am going to be transplanting these marigold flowers along with some other flowers. Now if this is your first time here, welcome to the Cultivate and Motivate Me Lifestyle TV. I am your host, Evie. Woo! See you tomorrow by the grace of God.